Here are 5 things you didn't know about Rome's most shocking emperor from 218 to 222 CE. First, this ruler forced the entire Roman Senate to watch multiple wedding ceremonies where he married different men using traditional Roman rituals. The senators sat in stunned silence as their emperor wore bridal veils and exchanged vows. Second, he ordered the castration of his male lovers to make them appear more feminine. These brutal procedures were performed in the imperial palace itself. Third, he offered half the Roman Empire to any doctor who could surgically give him female anatomy. Physicians across the empire were terrified to even attempt such an impossible operation. Fourth, he replaced Jupiter with a Syrian sun god and forced Romans to worship a black meteorite. Citizens were required to bow before this strange stone from the desert. Fifth, at just 18 years old, he was murdered by his own Praetorian Guard and thrown into the Tiber River. The Senate ordered every statue destroyed and all records erased, nearly wiping him from history forever.